Why Pakistan's JF-17 fighter jet faced challenges against Indian attacks. 1. The JF-17, a cornerstone of Pakistan's Air Force, aims to enhance aerial defense capabilities. 2. Technological limitations of the JF-17 hinder its performance against more advanced Indian fighter jets. 3. Strategic deployment of JF-17s often lack the tactical advantage needed in critical combat situations. 4. Lack of effective pilot training programs for JF-17 pilots make this jet incapable against India. 5. Logistical support issues from China have impacted the timely readiness and maintenance of the JF-17 fleet.